Hey there, my lovely friends. Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. We'll be having an awesome day. As you can see, I'm going to be experimental and be outside today on my video because, oh my God, I still love the summertime. The weather is awesome, I tell you. And I thought, let's do some information chatting on my tips and strategies and online marketing, how we can become more successful. So let's get started, shall we? Now, I have a question to ask you. What do you think is the reason why people fail so often online? Let's explore, shall we? Okay, let's get the show on the road, shall we? The first thing I think why people fail, and I've experienced that as well as I've met some friends online who's that happened to them, is because they go from one opportunity to another opportunity to another opportunity. They can't stay with one program. Makes sense, right? They keep going and then they fail because they're losing money here, losing money there. It could be so much the reason why that happens. This program didn't work, they're not making enough money on this one, the consistent payouts are lousy, or this program, the training was really good, the training was really bad. Shall we say they're having issues with the coaches. There's so many reasons why people go from program to program, not finding consistent income, and they're just losing money threefold, right? And that's what happens. Excuse me, I want to say that is me, guys. I just need to wear these glasses that are prescribed today. So I just wanted to share that for a minute. So that's the reason why I think, the first reason why I think people fail. Because they're going from program to program, not making a consistent income, the training is taking forever, and they're not getting the help they need. Or the traffic and the leads they're receiving are just not there as well. That's all part of different programs you're on, right? Different opportunities. So the second one is, I think, they need help. They're not getting a mentor or a coach to help them, guide them where their mistakes are lying. They're not getting the help. They're not getting people that need help with a coach and a mentor who's been where they have been and have now found a proper way to become more successful in life, the better way. And they haven't found somebody like that, right? And the third one is they kind of feel the reason why they're failing is they figure they're doing the right thing, right? They're thinking they're going the right way, and they're not coachable, they're not trainable, because they figure, I know what I'm doing. I don't need somebody to help me out. I'll just take what this training is, and I'm good enough, and I'll make money. Because they don't realize that sometimes maybe what they're doing is not right. It's not the right way. But if you're coachable and trainable, and the third thing is they're not persistent, they're not consistent in how they want to keep going. They fail at something that they're done, instead of being consistent and persistent and keep going forward. It's that happens, right? I know, I understand that completely. So instead of that happening, here are 4 little tips that kind of help even further. Instead of going on different programs, stick to one for now, one that you know that's going to make money. Do your research, find which the better program is, find out what people are actually doing well at. Secondly, get a mentor, get a coach, somebody who's going to guide you and help you, show you where your mistakes are, and be a part of that. Be a coachable, untrainable person. Stop, shall we say, having an ego. An ego doesn't help. Be the person to realize, be accountable for yourself, and realize that you can learn if you need help. Invest in yourself. Invest in the money to get a decent coach or mentor, or maybe somebody that's already in the program. And they're going to help you, guide you, show you the problems that arise, where you're having problems with. Apply their trainings, and you will become more further. And keep being consistent and persistent. True, right? This thing that happens in life, especially online, if I've learned along the way, I've met a lot of wonderful friends who have struggled persistently, as I struggled for almost 2 years trying to get a decent program, and I'm really not doing very well. I've done a variety of trainings. I just didn't get the right mentor or the right coach, and I felt like, oh well, I know what she's saying, and I felt a little bit worse for wear because I realized I should have basically done better. I could have done better, guys, in the other programs I went, if I just listened intently more, became more consistent and persevered, I would have done better. But I kind of had a bit of an ego. Went, oh, I know what you're saying. I can do that. And not realizing that a coach and a mentor is what you need, because they've been through where you've been. They know what you need to do, and they will help you. It sells itself. And get in with a program that's really going to be the meat and potatoes of what you want to do, so to speak, right? You're going to find yourself being where you want to be. You're going to be in a wonderful community, people that help one another. And then you're going to have the best mentor, best coach, and then you're going to be persistent and consistent. Don't stop. Keep going. Don't stop. Keep going. And you'll become a bit more, shall we say, successful. You'll start making money online. This is the key here. Getting into a program that sells itself for you, and finding the proof. Which proof is in the pudding, so to speak, as I've always said from time to time. And that's what I wanted to share with you today. Because for myself, I've been there, I've done that, and now I'm actually in a program that works. I'm very proud to be in a program that finally works. I'm actually doing better online. I'm coachable, I'm teachable, I'm remembering what I'm taught, and I'm taking and applying the trainings. I love the mentor I'm with. She's amazing. She's been where I have been, and she knows her stuff. Plus, you know what? It's good to be in a community where everybody helps one another. And I'm sticking with one program for now. I'm not going to go all over the place because it doesn't work. All it is, I found myself losing money. I started going broke even further. I got further into a debt that I didn't mean to have, because I didn't realize that I wasn't listening to understand that these things happen, you know. But if you invest in yourself, get the right coach or mentor who will help and guide you and put you where you want to be, and you don't think that you're wasting time, because sometimes people think, I'm wasting my time. What am I doing this for? This is baloney. I'm not making any money. The coaching, the men suck. The training is for shizzle. I'm not doing very well. All these excuses because you're failing, because you're not coachable and trainable. Get that ego out of your head. Be accountable. Move forward. Get that help you need. Get that mentor. You know what? Now that I've been in a program for a couple months now, I've realized, wow, what I was doing before was patooey. was patooey. Because I didn't listen. But now that I'm listening, being accountable for myself, taking the time, investing in who I am with a wonderful mentor and coach and guide, I am doing much better, and I'm getting consistent payouts. And that's what you want to do, and that's how you will become successful in online marketing. It's fantastic. So my lovely friends, I hope you enjoyed my little chat today. I hope this helped you in some way, as it always helps me to share it with you, since I am sharing my online journey as well through online marketing, on my tips and strategies on becoming more successful in online marketing. And remember, guys, hit the bell down below so you can be notified for the next video of mine as well, and comment and like, and yes, subscribe to my channel. I have so much more to share these next weeks and months to come about online marketing strategies and tips to help you become more successful, like I am being as well. That's what I want to share today on my beautiful thoughts today. Have an awesome, blessed day, and I always want to say this, and I always will. See you in the other side to success, my beautiful, awesome entrepreneurs you. Oh yes, one more time. Down below, I have so much more information. Just check out my description down below. There's so much awesome information for you to check out as well. To come be a part of the team that I'm a part of as well, with Successful Solution Method. Check it out, guys. And there's a Facebook group too. Check it out as well. Be a part of the conversation. And yes, I tell you what, come visit me on my Facebook page too. Let's start a conversation, right? Let's get you started on the right track to success. That's for sure. I love you all. Check it out below in my description, all the information you need to know as well. I love you all. I love you all. I love you all, my lovely friends. I'll see you on the other side to success, like I like to say over and over again before that big truck goes by too fast. Bye.